This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering what the system needs and why it matters. Install a reliable wallpaper app, Wallpaper Engine, or Lively, because they handle looping and GPU acceleration. Next, grab a zombie video in MP4H, 264 at your display resolution so scaling won't cost frames. You also need admin rights and updated GPU drivers. This avoids permission blocks and stuttering. Once done, place the file in a predictable folder and keep a small backup copy. Now you tell the app exactly how to run the zombie wallpaper. Add the MP4 as a new scene, then set it to loop and mute audio unless you want sound. Make sure GPU acceleration is enabled to offload rendering from the CPU and reduce frame drops. If you use multiple monitors, assign the correct display and pick scaling that matches the monitor's resolution. Once configured, preview the scene to confirm smooth play and correct alignment before applying it system-wide. Finish by saving the scene and enabling Start with Windows so your zombie wallpaper returns after reboot. Add hotkeys or schedule activation to prevent battery drain on laptops. Make sure the app has permission to run in the background and that screensavers won't override it. If you see a black screen, check the video's codec and re-encode to H. 264, confirm the app has admin permission, restart Explorer, and update GPU drivers. These fixes resolve most playback and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.